Hello everybody and welcome back to HD Interiors. Welcome to the future of kitchen design, where style meets innovation in the most inspiring ways. In 2025, modern kitchens are evolving beyond just being functional spaces. They're becoming hubs of creativity, sustainability, and technology. From concealed storage solutions to smart appliances that streamline daily tasks, the latest trends are all about making your kitchen not only beautiful but also efficient and personalized. Whether you're planning a remodel or just curious about the next big ideas, these modern kitchen designs will transform your cooking space into a masterpiece of form and function. Let's explore what's ahead. The kitchens of 2025 are smarter than ever, integrating cutting-edge technology to make life easier and more efficient. Picture a kitchen where you can control the oven, lights, and even the fridge through your smartphone or voice commands. Smart faucets turn on with a wave of your hand, and refrigerators remind you when you're low on groceries. These advancements save time and bring a futuristic touch to your cooking space. Smart kitchens also help with energy efficiency, allowing you to monitor and adjust appliances to minimize power usage. It's a step towards a more connected, tech-driven home where convenience is just a voice command away. Sustainability is no longer a trend, it's a necessity, and in 2025, eco-friendly kitchens are at the forefront of modern design. Materials like reclaimed wood, recycled metal, and bamboo are being used for cabinets, countertops, and flooring, offering a sustainable solution without sacrificing style. These materials not only reduce the environmental impact, but also introduce natural textures and warmth to the kitchen. The use of sustainable materials is a way to make conscious choices while creating a space that feels connected to nature. It's a win for the environment and a win for your home's aesthetic. In 2025, kitchens are taking on a sleeker, more minimalist appearance, and concealed kitchens are leading the charge. Imagine a space where bulky appliances, storage units, and even countertops can be hidden behind flush panels and sliding doors. This design creates a seamless flow with the rest of your home, allowing your kitchen to blend in effortlessly with surrounding living spaces. Concealed kitchens are perfect for those who want a clutter-free environment without compromising on functionality. It's a clean, modern look that offers a touch of sophistication while keeping everything practical and organized. Say goodbye to small, intricate tile patterns and welcome the clean and modern look of large format tiles in 2025. These oversized tiles are making a bold statement in kitchen design, used on both floors and backsplashes. The beauty of large format tiles lies in their ability to create a smooth, uninterrupted surface with fewer grout lines, resulting in a more seamless and visually expansive space. Not only do they provide a minimalist aesthetic, but they're also easier to clean and maintain, making them a practical choice for busy kitchens. Whether you opt for sleek stone, concrete, or marble textures, large format tiles add a touch of modern elegance to any kitchen. In 2025, earthy neutral tones are dominating kitchen color palettes, bringing a sense of calm and warmth into the heart of the home. Shades like beige, taupe, soft browns, and creamy whites create a soothing atmosphere while maintaining a modern, sophisticated look. These natural colors have the unique ability to make spaces feel inviting and grounded, pairing beautifully with natural materials like wood and stone. Whether used for cabinets, walls, or countertops, earthy neutrals offer a timeless elegance that complements various design styles, from rustic to contemporary. It's all about creating a tranquil, harmonious space that feels as cozy as it is chic. The kitchen island is evolving into the ultimate multitasker in 2025. No longer just a prep space, multipurpose kitchen islands are now the central hub for cooking, dining, working, and socializing. These islands are designed with built-in storage, sinks, cooktops, and even seating areas to maximize functionality. They offer additional counter space while also serving as a spot for informal meals or gatherings. With a variety of designs to choose from, multipurpose islands can be tailored to your specific needs, whether you prefer a large open layout or a more compact solution for smaller kitchens. It's a versatile addition that truly enhances the kitchen's role as the heart of the home. While neutral shades continue to dominate, 2025 is also seeing a rise in bold jewel tones that add drama and luxury to modern kitchens. Deep hues like emerald green, navy blue, and rich burgundy are being used for cabinets, accent walls, and even appliances, offering a striking contrast to the softer, earthy tones. These colors bring depth and personality to the space, making a bold statement without overwhelming the design. Jewel tones pair beautifully with metallic accents like brass or gold, enhancing the sense of opulence. It's a perfect way to infuse your kitchen with a touch of luxury while keeping it fresh and modern. In 2025, kitchens are becoming more personal, reflecting the unique tastes and preferences of homeowners. Customization is key, and it's all about designing a space that feels like it's truly yours. From bespoke cabinetry and custom lighting to choosing hardware and fixtures that express individual style, there's a growing emphasis on making the kitchen a personal statement. Whether it's incorporating open shelving for your favorite kitchenware or selecting a one-of-a-kind backsplash, these personalized touches transform the kitchen into more than just a functional area. It's a space that blends practicality with creativity, allowing homeowners to showcase their personality in every detail. In 2025, natural light takes center stage in modern kitchen design, with large windows, skylights, and even glass doors becoming essential elements. The goal is to flood the kitchen with sunlight, making it feel open, airy, and connected to the outdoors. Incorporating expansive windows and clear sightlines not only brightens the space, but also offers stunning views of nature, whether it's a garden, courtyard, or cityscape. This focus on natural light enhances the overall ambience, giving kitchens a more welcoming and lively atmosphere. It's about creating a space that feels alive, fresh, and perfectly in tune with the surrounding environment, turning the kitchen into a bright, vibrant hub. The days of sticking to just one metal finish are over. In 2025, mixing metals is a major trend that brings texture and depth to kitchen design. Whether it's brass cabinet handles paired with stainless steel appliances or matte black faucets alongside copper lighting fixtures, the combination of different metals adds a dynamic and layered look. This approach creates a modern, eclectic vibe that feels both stylish and intentional. Mixed metals give homeowners the freedom to experiment with finishes and textures, allowing for a unique and personalized space that feels bold yet balanced. It's the perfect way to inject a bit of flair and sophistication into a modern kitchen. As we look ahead to 2025, the world of kitchen design is brimming with exciting possibilities that blend functionality with style. From concealed kitchens and sustainable materials to the incorporation of smart technology and bold colors, these trends are all about creating a space that feels modern yet personal. Embracing these ideas not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your kitchen but also transforms it into a hub of efficiency and comfort. Whether you're planning a complete remodel or simply looking to refresh your space, these trends offer inspiration for crafting a kitchen that truly reflects your lifestyle and tastes. With innovation at the forefront, the kitchen of the future is not just a place to cook, it's a space to gather, create, and enjoy life. Thanks for watching our exploration of the top modern kitchen design ideas for 2025. If you found this video inspiring, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more home decor tips and inspiration. We appreciate your support and can't wait to share more exciting ideas with you.